Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another wedding video. If you missed the kickoff to this series, I will link it in the cards as well as down below. Also, special thanks to my channel members for helping support this channel. If you would like to join the Bunny Club, I have the link in the description box down below. So today we're talking about cake toppers. So I was on Etsy as always because I'm addicted to Etsy, and I found the perfect cake toppers. They are bird related. They're like lovebirds, which is just a common theme in my wedding. When I was buying my wedding garner, I also wanted a handkerchief for the groom, and it was a vintage one and it has lovebirds on it. It's super cute. I shared it a couple months ago on Instagram and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So I also wanted to try and find a cake topper that had birds related to it. We're gonna have a very simple wedding cake. We're not gonna have like a multi-tiered expensive over the top cake because it's just gonna be feeding my family, which is a group of 4 if you include me. So 5 people total would be actually eating this cake, so we don't need to go all out for it. And I don't like the taste of fondant, but I do like how fondant helps in creating certain styles of cakes. So we're gonna go through that in the end of this video. I'm gonna show you some cakes that I've been thinking about, some cakes that I think are really cute, but let's just open up this stuff first. This is an Etsy shop called DoTheDeco, and they're based in Lithuania, I believe, which is so interesting because my wedding dress and my engagement dress are also coming from Lithuania. It's like a cute little coincidence, but this is gonna be where our wedding rings go, our wedding bands. So my wedding band and my fiance's wedding band will be here, and it'll be tied by the ribbon. This is just gorgeous. It's like a little bird's nest, so it just fits perfectly with the theme. She also has ones like this, but it's just pillows, like really cute pillows. I think this is gorgeous. I love the attention to detail, and I'm gonna put a picture here of what it would look like once the rings are tied up. I'm not doing that right now. We still have to get my fiance's wedding band, but once it's here, I'm gonna tie it here. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna look great for the ceremony. These things right here is just the packaging filling. It's not part of the thing. Now for the best part, the actual cake toppers. Here they are. They are 2 beautiful little doves with a pink heart. There was a lot of customization in this shop. Like, there's just a lot of different versions of this. Different bird styles, different colored hearts. Some of them had the circle around them, some of them didn't. So with this, I had the option of not having this, but I think it looks really pretty, and it's gonna look even better with when it's on a cake. So it just has this and you just sink it in. So it's hard for me to show you its true beauty because it's just floating in the air and it's not a solid background. So I'm gonna include some pictures from the actual website just so you can see what it's gonna look like. I will link the shop down below if you're interested. There's a lot of beautiful different birds. I spent so long wondering because there's certain birds with a veil on it. I think it's really cute. There's actually a whole world of beautiful cake toppers. If you're interested in Etsy, it's amazing. There's like sheep, there's like foxes, there's like little people, which is originally what I was gonna go towards, was like a replica of like you and your groom on the top of the cake. Or there's also like just in script. That was what I was thinking about as well. I'm happy I found these beautiful lovebirds, but if you're looking for cute, unique cake toppers, a lot of them with customizable options, I definitely recommend checking Etsy because there's just so many. I almost changed my mind like a million times. There's like flamingos, and I really love birds, and it's kind of like this theme that is going on in our wedding where certain things just have birds, our handkerchiefs, our cake toppers, our little ring thing, and there's a couple other things that I'm not gonna spoil just yet when it comes to birds. This is her business card, but I'll also have her information linked down below just for easier access. But yeah, this arrived from Lithuania. The tracking was weird though. It didn't update, so I just copied the tracking number and put it in Google instead of just checking it through Etsy, and that way I was able to get more accurate updates on where it was. Ooh, my voice. And I think the delivery guy forgot to scan it when he delivered it because it still says that it's out for delivery, but I clearly have it here. All right, so now that we're done with that, let's look at some cakes that I've been thinking about. So I want a simple cake. I want some detailing, but again, I don't want it to have to be fondant. So because of that, you know, you are a little bit limited, or in my opinion, I'm a little bit limited, but I want like a cute cake, not too big, not too small. I do want it to have like chocolate on the inside in some way. Trigger warning for food discussions and like weight loss and stuff, but when I was really young, I was not allowed to have chocolate. My parents did not like that. They felt for some reason like if I was at an ice cream truck, I was only allowed to get vanilla ice cream and not chocolate ice cream because they felt like chocolate ice cream had more calories and therefore it would make me fatter. Really annoying. And because of that, I feel like I gravitate towards chocolate so much more. Like, I just love it. Don't get me wrong, I love vanilla. It's simple, it's classic, it's nostalgic, but chocolate is just rich, it's delicious, it's creamy, it's flavorful. So I really want chocolate inside my wedding cake in some capacity because I'm tired of it. Or even strawberry. I really like strawberry. I recently had the strawberry shortcake from the milk bar. I got it for my fiance. I did a whole like secret vlog leading up to that day, and it was really good, and I would buy that again, except for the fact that those are not decorated cakes. Not decorated. Those are, I forgot the name of it. They're like naked cakes. There's no frosting on the side of them, which is a very cool, interesting look, and that's very popular right now. But for my wedding, I wouldn't like that. Like for my birthday, it wasn't a big deal. So like, I'm just not a super big cake person. Like usually the cakes that I get for birthdays are either from Paris something. I'll put it here. I forgot what it is. It's like a branch of stores. They have really cute cakes. Or Haagen-Dazs. I love me an ice cream cake, you know, classic, just simple chocolate on the inside, because it's just great. I love ice cream. Yeah, I'm gonna see. Magnolia Bakery has some really cute cakes that are available for weddings. On the Way Bakery, I believe it's what it's called. I'm obsessed with them. They are dairy free, and you can't even tell. Like, it's just so delicious. I'm lactose intolerant, so it would make sense for me to go with that option. There's probably going to be a Whole Foods near the hotel room, so I can also choose Whole Foods. It just depends. Certain places are limiting their custom cakes because of what's been happening, but things are opening up again because of the vaccine. So hopefully by fall, everything will be as close to normal as possible. I think even if there were still restrictions, we would probably be able to continue on with the wedding because it's such a small group of people. It's literally either 5 of us or 6 of us, you know? So it's really not bad. I'm happy. We'll see what happens, but this is my cake topper and I'm really excited about it. So if you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that way you'll be up to date with all of my uploads. I upload 3 times a week, and I do have the Bunny Club, which is our membership program where I was been restructuring and kind of to bring the best perks possible, so you get exclusive members only videos and stuff like that, and it's really exciting. I'm gonna stop talking now. If you made it to this end right here, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.